What's up YouTube? It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun and exciting video for you. It's an unboxing and try on of one of my favorite activewear brands called Wiskii Active. I've been shopping this brand for quite a while now, maybe a few years, and I just love all of the pieces. I always just come back to them because the fit is really good, the quality is great, and I love how unique the styles and cuts of these pieces are. I feel like this brand is really different from what you normally see on the market, and that's what I really love. I love to wear things that are different, that have like different elements to it, and so I picked out a bunch of pieces that are super cute and that I'm really excited to show you guys and also wear at my upcoming workouts. I have the ClassPass app, which allows me to try different workouts and different studios, which I love, and so recently I've been doing strength training, Pilates, which is my absolute favorite. I've been doing Legree, yoga, and so all these pieces will be great for all these different types of workouts. And so with that being said, let's just dive right in. So I got a total of 3 outfits and everything comes in boxes like this. It's like this cute little silver box with their logo on it. And then when you open it up, everything is individually wrapped in the packaging like this. I already have more of the neutral colors from this brand. Like I have a black outfit, a tan one, a white one, and so I thought it would be fun to expand my color palette and just pick out some items that are in more bolder and fun colors, which is perfect because spring is here, so it's very aligned with the season. So the first outfit I got is in this really cute baby pink colorway. The color is called Ballet Blush, and this is a bra top that has a scoop neckline and then a racer back in the back with their branding on the back side. It also has removable padding here, and then I just love how delicate and simple this is, especially with the thin straps. Then I got the matching pink bike shorts that are super cute. It has a high waist and then branding on the back right there. And I don't usually wear bike shorts that often, but I figured since it is spring and it's gonna get hotter and I like to do a lot of outdoor workouts when it gets hot in the spring summer, that I would definitely wear these shorts, and I think it would be so cute together. And then to complete the outfit, I got this off the shoulder long sleeve like sweater top. It is so cute. It has like ruching on the details here on the underarm area as well as the side area, which will be super flattering. I love that this brand has different pieces that you can layer on top to kind of just like make it a complete look. So whenever I go to like a daytime Pilates class, I love to go to get a coffee or matcha afterwards or like brunch. And so having a piece like this that you could just throw on and still look really cute and confident is just everything. This one is more on the thicker side where it's more like a sweater material, but it's not too heavy. I think I could still wear this in the spring, summer. I usually get really cold anyways, so this is just a nice top to add on. It's super, super soft, and I can tell already that it's just gonna be so comfortable. Moving on to the next outfit. I mean, look how cute this top is. I'm obsessed with this. I absolutely love the color baby blue. This is my favorite color, and so when I saw this, I just had to get it, especially because of this cute little floral detail on the chest and then the halter neckline. I think this neckline is really flattering on me, so anytime I see like a halter top, I always try to get it. I just think this top is super unique. It doesn't even look like a workout top, which is so cute. Like you can literally wear this on a day out, or just like even if you're not working out, you can just wear it as a regular top with like jeans or shorts or something like that. I also love the length of it too. I've been really into just full length tops lately, other than crop tops and bra tops, and I just feel like this would be really flattering on, especially because it has like a little curved hem at the bottom. It's in this really nice ribbed stretchy material, super soft. Again, it has removable paddings on the back and then a low back with branding on the backside. And then of course I had to get the matching leggings in the baby blue color. This one is high-waisted and also has the crisscross waistband, which is nice and flattering. On the back too, it has a little bit of a scrunch, so it'll make your booty look a little more pop-in. Again, this fabric is so soft. I just love how this feels on my skin. With this one, I accidentally got a size medium instead of a small, so hopefully this will still fit pretty well. I'm sure it will because everything's stretchy, but this is just gonna be such a cute outfit together. I can just see myself wearing this all the time. And then the last outfit I got is a little bit out of my comfort zone. It's a color that I usually wouldn't really gravitate towards, but I thought this was a really beautiful red color when I saw it on their site. It's not like super, super red where it's really bright and bold. I feel like it has still like a muted tone to it, which I like. And seeing it in person too just really validates that, and I actually really like it. I think that it's not too bold and it doesn't contrast too much with my like dark hair. I think it actually will look look really nice. So this is the bra top, and the color is called Firecracker. That's cute. And it has a deep plunging neckline. It has 2 straps, which is really cute, and a crisscross design on the back. Of course, it has the removable padding. Of course, I had to get the matching pants to it too. This is the leggings in Firecracker size small. These are the same as the baby blue ones that I just showed, just in a different color, but I just love wearing matching sets, so I have to get the matching pants to it. Again, it is high-waisted, has the logo on the back, and then also has a little scrunch on the booty. And this is just your classic high-waist legging. So yeah, that is everything that I got. I am super happy with how everything looks in person. The colors are really great. The quality feels amazing. And so now let's try it on and see how they fit. Okay, absolutely love every single piece that I got, but I think my favorite would have to be the pink outfit because the off-the-shoulder top was just so flattering, and I love how it all just comes together in a complete look and just looks super cute. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I have a really cute workout outfit, I have that like extra motivation to go to class and have a really great workout. I don't know what it is, but I just love feeling confident and empowered in what I'm wearing. So if you're in a situation where maybe you're not as motivated to work out right now or not feeling as confident in class, I highly suggest getting a really cute workout outfit and seeing how that makes you feel. So I'm really grateful for all the pieces that I got and just so excited to start wearing them this season. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested in any of the pieces that I got, I'll link them down below. And I also have a discount code. It's Julia for 15% off anything on their site. If you have any pieces from this brand already, or maybe feel inspired to pick some up after watching this, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I love to create content around wellness, lifestyle, unboxing videos, fashion, all of that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.